Hello friends, welcome to the world of knowledge and wisdom. Today video is part 2 of the topic side effects of the medicines. In my last video, I have shared the 4 points you must be aware about the side effect of the medicines. First is that what are the side effects of the medicines? What are the drugs and which type of the drugs can cause the side effect of the medicines? Third, few examples of the side effects of the medicines. And fourth, what are the reasons that side effects can happen, and if there is not a side effect of the medicines but you are doing some activities due to which the side effects or adverse drug reactions can happen or take place. So today I am going to discuss about this topic. Friends, what are the things you must perform whether we can avoid the adverse drug reactions or side effect of the medicines? You know that each one of us are so much dependent on the medicines. We cannot avoid taking the medicines and hence we cannot avoid the side effects of the medicines. But yes, we can increase our awareness so that we can reduce the risk of being impacted by the side effects of the medicines. So first thing I am going to tell you that I would tell you that whenever you take the OTC product, right, over the counter drugs, so you will see that on over the counter drug there is warning section. In warning section you can find drug fact label on the packing. You can read and discuss with the doctor if it is some serious or you think that it is critical. Okay, in the warning section of the over the counter OTC product, in warning section you can find drug fact label on packing. You can discuss with the doctor if you feels that it is critical and then you take that medicines. This is the first point. Okay, second point, that whenever you take the prescription drugs, means the drugs which are prescribed by your doctor, so you will see the leaflet with the drug. Okay, PIL, patient information leaflet. So you must go through that leaflet and you must read that what are the adverse drug reactions or side effects of the medicine, and you should discuss with your doctor. It is not necessary that every side effects which is happened to other people is going to happen with you. Don't be panic, but you discuss with the doctor that how these side effects can be reduced, whether there is any alternate medicine to avoid these side effects. Okay, second point is that one US FDA's website on which you can find the information or adverse drug reaction of the medicines you are taking, which is approved by the US FDA. So that website is, or link is, index to drug specific information. What? Index to drug specific information. If you will visit that site, you can type the name of the drug and you can read that FDA drug safety communication, on which safety announcements are done, means regarding the safety of the drug, additional information for the patient, additional information for healthcare professional, and data summary. So if you will visit that site, you can find the details about your drug. Okay, this is the third point. So whenever you will read this information, you should not be overwhelmed with the information given on the site. Just you can read for your information and don't be panic. Again and again I am telling you that don't be panic, because after reading this information you may be disappointed that oh my god, whatever medicines I am taking, that these are the side effects. In fact, when I also take the medicines, whenever I read this information, so I become very panicked that oh my god, this is the reaction, these are the reactions happening. But every drug reaction is not happening to everyone. Okay, so it depends on your health, on your daily routine and your immunity power also. Fourth point is that make sure that your healthcare professional is aware about the side effects of the medicines. This you can do by asking him or her the questions about this, or you can go through the PIL or leaflet of the prescribed drug and then you can discuss and ask the question to your doctor. If the side effect is very critical, then you can ask the doctor that whether any other medication is possible and whether the bearing the pain is more convenient than taking that medicine. So that also you can ask your doctor. So make sure that the medical practitioner or the doctor who is treating you should be aware about the side effects of the medicine. Sixth point, you can ask your doctor that whether there is any another drug which is not having that much side effect, so you can avoid the risk or you can reduce the risk. And as I told you in my previous video that 11 things you should know about while taking any medicine, that you must tell your doctor that what allergies you are having from the medicines. For example, there are few medicines from which you might be allergic, so you should inform your doctor. So based on that information, he will suggest or prescribe you the medicine that for any problem you are facing, so you can take another medicine. So he will decide that. Seventh point is that you should contact your doctor whenever any side effects happen immediately, so that he can start taking action on that. And last thing, how you can avoid the medicines. Research shows that many critical or chronic diseases can be cured by simply following the healthy lifestyle. What is the healthy lifestyle? Every one of us know that what are the healthy lifestyles. Eating the right food, getting exercise, getting enough sleep, managing stress, and minimizing the medicines. These are some healthy practices which every one of us must follow. We can learn how to learn and apply acupressure also. This is also one of the therapy which we can apply on ourselves. We can do the meditation also, and we can reduce our stress. We are living very complicated life, but in this life we must take some time to do the things which we really love to do, which whenever we do, we forget everything, we become so happy. So you must find the things, what are the activities or by doing which you just forget your stress and everything. So you should release or remove the everyday's stress. Friends, this is my message to all of you, that live every moment of life. Do the things which you really love to do from your heart. Live every moment of your life. Live with your family, your friends. Spend some time with your family and friends. Do the things which you really loved from your childhood to do. The things will help you to reduce the stress, relieve the stress. Life is not always even or always happy or every time convenient, but by doing these things, you can reduce your stress and you can make your life simple. Friends, stay blessed, live healthy and happy life. For today, these are the messages I wanted to share with all of you. So today, Dr. Rupali Paranspe signing out until I bring the new information and knowledge for all of you. Thank you.